How to make a silkscreen stencil using emulsion, a scoop coater, inkjet film, an exposure unit, and a screen. Open the emulsion in a light-safe room and pour it into a scoop coater. Starting from the bottom of the screen, print side first, run the coater all the way to the top, making sure to coat the entire screen. Repeat the process on the other side. When you're done, let the screen dry overnight in a light-safe room. While your screen is drying, create your artwork and print it onto inkjet film. Make sure the ink on the film is nice and dark, so no light passes through it. Now it's time to expose our screen. This step will vary depending on what exposure unit you're using. We recommend using an exposure calculator to dial in exact exposure times. Next, rinse out your screen with water. A normal garden hose will work for this step. And now your screen is ready to print.